my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream Beauty Box. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly beauty subscription. They focus mainly on makeup, but you do get some toys and some skincare items every once in a while. Now, there are two options available for this box. The bag is $12.50 per month. You get 3 to 4 items inside, full-size items on top of it. So you get 3 to 4 full-size items, including an eyeshadow palette. Now, this is the box. This runs $25 a month. You get about 5 items inside, full-size items, including an eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and see what I got for May. This is how it comes in the mail. And when you open it, that's what it looks like inside. You get a card that says the month, a list of all of your items, including retail prices. I wish all subscription boxes would do something like this. Comes in very handy, gives me a lot of good information about the products inside. So once you take the card off, we have some biodegradable peanuts. Let me get rid of those. Once I took that off, this is what it looks like inside. I have to say it looks very skimpy in there. Some months you get it and the box is just packed, and that's because of the items they choose, how much space they take up. You know, larger items take large space. These are some small items. So let's get started. So the first thing is Beauty for Certain. And let's see, this is, I don't know what it is, but I know it's in the color Flamingo. BFC, let me take a look here. So this retails for $22. It is the High Pigment Gloss by Beauty for Certain. Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rap artist BIA, best known for her song Whole Lotta Money from her For Certain album. This lip gloss is hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting, and lightly plumping. It gives your lips extra shine with a smooth finish that you can build up to your desired intensity. Okay, I do like tinted balms, not necessarily gloss, but let's take a look. Oh, okay. This is very pink. It is also glossy. Can you see? Glittery, shimmery. Let's take a peek. So it's on a regular doe foot. That is bright. But I know that if you spread it out on your lips, you know, put it on there thin, then it'll be lighter. See how it's lighter? It's pretty. Well, that didn't do much. It doesn't feel sticky, like it said. It does not feel sticky, but I can see the pieces of glitter in it easily. So it isn't a super fine glitter. I have to get that off before I get it all over the place. Now I'm wiping off the pigment, but the glitter is still there. Okay. I'm sure my daughter would like it. It's just a little bit too much for me. And the next thing is a duochrome liquid eyeshadow by Chantico Beauty. And this is in the color 1734Y. So it doesn't really say a color. And this retails for $19, we're including an extra liquid duochrome shadow to help complete the eye look for both palettes. This can be used as a highlight on the inner corners and brow bone or as an eyeshadow topper. It looks absolutely stunning almost any matte shades. I would like that because I put shimmer right in the center of my eyelid. Ooh, wow, okay. Look at that. Kind of looks like a diamond. That's cool. Let's take a look at this. This is also on a regular doe foot. I would say that this color is white. So we're going to put that on there. Oh, okay. It is white to pink. Hopefully, okay, so there's white. Can I get the pink to show up on camera? It doesn't show up on camera, that's the thing. But it's pink. So it's white to pink. Yeah, see, that would go well with what I'm wearing. It would look really good. So, okay. Wipe that off so I don't get it all over the place. The next thing by GC, this is a lip pencil. It is Bel Air, which it's a very neutral color. That would match what I'm wearing today. And let's take a look. This is the Bel Air lip liner by Gerard Cosmetics. It retails for $16. This color was chosen by the owner of Gerard Cosmetics herself, and we're so glad she picked it. It's perfect for any look and is universally flattering. These liners are so creamy that they can be used all over your lips as well, not just to line your lips. Okay, did not have a safety seal on it, and it does not look used. This is not the kind that turns. You do need to sharpen this with a pencil sharpener. Okay. Ooh, that is smooth, and I love the color. Yeah, I like that very much. So we got that. Now, it did say the 2 palettes. I only see 1, but we are going to start with this. Look at that. It's a rose. This is a tin. I was going to smell. I don't smell anything really. So let's see what this is. This is the 3D Rose Blusher by Swarovski US. This retails for $30. This blush has been all over TikTok. You can use your finger or a flat brush to pick up product and apply to your face. If you want a very light blush color, you can use any fluffy brush. This is definitely made to stay on any makeup vanity. It's too cute. It is. I think it is beautiful. Roses are my favorite flower. Look at that. That is so cool. Okay, so let's check out the color. It looks very pink. Oh, wow, it's soft. See? It's like real rose petals. Okay. And that is the color. Ooh, wow. That is pink. So, yeah, that is definitely pink. I would definitely use a light hand to apply that. Let's get that off before I get it everywhere. Have a big smudge on my face. But I think that's gorgeous, whether I use it or not. Just having it sitting out, it's so pretty. And the last thing is our palette. Okay, they probably had two palettes available, but I got this one while other folks got the other one. It all depends on the profile you set, whether you like bright colors, neutrals, things like that. So this is by Gourmand Girls X Cosmic Peaches Power. That's what that looks like. Just like that. And the back is just like that. So, power or virtual palette. That's right. I was right. I got the power palette by Gourmand Girls X Cosmic Peaches Ice Cream Exclusive. And this retails for $33. These palettes were both designed by Cosmic Peaches and have the amazing Gourmand Girls formula. Try the quality for yourself. Gourmand Girls is both women-owned and a Latino-owned business. Latina. And this month we have two options. The colorful palette virtual that is perfect for spring and summer, as well as the more muted grunge palette power that is perfect for every day. Both of these are only available at Eyescream Beauty. So if you become a member and subscribe, then you have access to these types of things that they offer on their shop. So let's see what this looks like. That looks the same. Oh yeah. And these always come with this, and it does have a mirror. And yeah, this is the darker palette. Wow, we have some really interesting greens. We have one that's a little too yellow for me. I don't think I would ever use that. But wow, look at that glitter. Let's just check that one out. Oh, wow. Okay. So I put my finger in it and it pushed over. So let me lightly touch it. Okay. Woo! Oh my God. Look at that shine. That is insane. Wow. These will really bring my green looks to life, won't it? So we have that one, but there's other colors in there that I definitely would use to go with my green looks. Good. Very happy to get that. So for May, my total retail price came to $120 and I only paid $25. Now that is some smart shopping if you ask me. Well, I am really glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day and I will see you soon.